Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Mazda Tribute Classic, stock reference number 4768. This shape runs from the second month 2001 through to the third month 2008. It has an AJ 3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3 litre V6 petrol engine, AJ engine code, with radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, Aftermarket Hayman and Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck, right hand tail light, right power door mirror, driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.